Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn AC English word with Khmer meaning. This video is good for beginners, students, and daily English practice. Let's start together. 1. Net 2. Get 3. Wet 4. Bake 5. Land 6. Sand 7. Bend 8. Sit 9. Dig 10. Him 11. Feet 12. Sheep 13. King 14. Sheep 15. Movie 16. Genie. Next slide. 1. Tell 2. Get 3. Fair 4. Sat 5. Sand 6. Phone 7. Shop 8. Quick 9. Sell 10. Talk 11.บอก 12. Chalk 13. Stock 14. Walk 15. Bad 16. Bag Next slide. 1. Out 2. Full 3. True 4. Roll 5. Sir 6. Top 7. By 8. Long 9. Land 10. Win 11. Burn 12. Kick 13. Stop 14. Not 15. Fear 16. Where That's all the slide. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want more English lesson with Khmer meaning. See you in the next video. Goodbye.